Everyone, my name is Justin, and pretty much they call me the Amazon Doctor because I help new Amazon seller who failed on the very first product to turn around and create success for themselves. My name is Justin, and I run multiple seven-figure businesses. I also have a mentor who did a $15 million annually, eight-figure sellers. So we are dedicated this channel to help new Amazon seller create success for themselves. Pretty much in the Amazon world right now, a lot of people are failing for a lot of different gurus and scammers out there that are teaching you to get rich quick. There are gurus out there that literally telling you to sell your passionate product, and then the next thing you know, you invest too much money in there, and the next thing you know, you get stuck with $20,000, $30,000 worth of your passionate products, not able to sell, and you just waste a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of energy. So that's the purpose of this channel. Is I'm gonna dedicate this channel to help you as a new Amazon seller. Either you're starting or you already failed on your very first product, how to turn it around and create success for yourself. And I'm not gonna sell you any course. Just make sure you stay tuned, okay? We're gonna go on the very first one. This one, a little bit background. We have the sellers. It's on a community groups. It's called Asian Hustle Network. If you haven't been in that group, that's an awesome group. Make sure you stay in, especially if you're an Asian and you're a hustler. Okay. So that seller, she was selling coffee on Amazon, and he wondered why it's not moving as much as he want. And I'm gonna be giving you the feedback that I would give it to him, so that you can know exactly what to be aware when it comes to selling your passionate product on Amazon. I'll put the product link to the video description below. Hi Kim, I'm gonna be offering some of the things that I know about this market as an Amazon seller. Okay, so the first thing that I'm always look at gonna be the revenue count, and also who are the big guy in the industry. So far as you, this is the tool that I'm using. It's called X-Ray Helium 10. It allows you to know how much other sellers are currently making on Amazon. So right now, the top seller who is selling the whole bean coffee blend is currently doing about $676,000 per month. And one of the disadvantage that I see is that this market right now is heavily focused on the top seller and leaving the new seller with no money. So the distribution are uneven for this type of products. So majority of people, when they buy this coffee, they are looking at the review counts rather than where the origin of the coffee. So that is one thing. So if you were to sell your product on Amazon, I would say the maximum that you can make is about $10,000 if you have a strong brand with at least 2,000 reviews on Amazon. Because with Dongwing, they have an existing presence outside of Amazon. So their sales is not only made up of their marketing inside of Amazon using PPC, you can see the sponsor. They also bring in sales from marketing outside of their channel. So I would say a lot of disadvantage, but don't get discouraged though. But let's deep dive into analyzing the market first before you even go into your whole product listing, okay? Same with this one. So I saw your product. Let me see. Birdie. So your product doesn't have much of an advantage because you have low reviews, and it's not your fault. It's just the market is currently favoring the top seller with the highest reviews. You're actually doing better than some of the guy here. This guy, Vietnamese coffee, 134 reviews, but only doing about $1,000 something a month. Meanwhile, yours double, so it's good. And I feel like you may not doing something wrong at all, rather than you don't have a lot of reviews on Amazon. Second is, let me see your product offer. $28. This one $20. 2.2 pound, 2 14 grams. 12 ounce. You're actually offering more compared to, no, you have, hold on, 2.2 pounds. You're actually offering more. So your offer is quite decent. I would say if you add more reviews, you will be able to bring your revenue up even more, because on Amazon people really buy your product based on how many reviews you have. And since you already have a good offer compared to other guy, like this guy, even though he have 134 reviews, but he only offered 12 ounces, meanwhile yours like 2 pounds. So that is one of the plus, like, good side for you. So I feel like you just need to add more reviews. But as you see the rank, as you move up to 200, you may be able to take over this market share right here. I'm not sure if you have other traffic outside of Amazon yet. So far I can see that if you bring your review count up, you will start seeing more revenue. And you know that you are in a market where you're competing with these big guys. So I would say your maximum you can make on Amazon with your products with more than this review is about $6,000 to $10,000. That's going to be your cap, okay? So let's dive into your products and see what you are offering. So one thing is that your main images have to be as appealing as possible. That's why I would say invest into packaging for now and make the color as bright, as eye-catching as possible. Because if you were imagining this as a flea market, whoever grabbed the customer attention will win their first impression, you know? Like, look at Starbucks. Their packaging is different. Same. If you were to scroll down into the page, the first thing other people would look at gonna be this one, because the color is yellow, yours white. So it's kind of blend into the Amazon website and also with other products, so it doesn't stand out. So it's gonna take you longer to get recognized by the customer. So I would say invest into the products, packaging. This one is detail. I like it. This is good because most people are currently going to the keto, something healthy, friendly, earth kind of vibe. So I would say focus on this, because now most people, they want something that is healthy, something that is fit into their vegan or whatsoever. This is some side joke, my bad. But anyways, focus on selling them on the benefit. You selling 2.2 pounds, so I want you to emphasize it in your product, like the listing, because first people are going to look into this one to see if they can, like most people, we love, like they said, pictures worth more than 1,000 words. So I would say invest more into we call it the main listing image. So invest into these main listing image and focusing more about the health benefit instead of just little like this. Make it bigger. Okay, on Amazon, it's not about making beautiful images. It's about as informative, as detailed as possible. More coffee, please. That's cute, but I would say infuse the culture, the Vietnamese culture, and why it tastes so different compared to other.
The birds are smarter.
And also invest into influencer marketing. So you're selling Vietnamese coffee, and a lot of could be American people that are buying this. So instead of using this one could be one that can share with you about the coffee manufacturer site. But I would say infuse the culture, the Vietnamese culture, into this through maybe invest into better quality video, or having UGC of Vietnamese tasting it, like pay for some people to taste your coffee and then give you a feedback, film it and put it right here. We call it UGC, user generated content. And think of it as an influencer marketing. Or imagine if you go to a coffee shop, you saw a couple people that drink in the coffee, that kind of flavor, and they like it so much, and then you're more likely to buy that cup of coffee compared to the other coffee, right? So that is the power of influencer marketing. So I would say invest. So to summarize, invest into better packaging, invest into more informative video, and focusing, my bad, and focusing on your strength. What are your strengths? Seems like you are selling more than other competitor. Also, third, infuse the culture of Vietnamese inside. Okay, from not only the images but also the videos. Fourth is paying some people or actually get some testimonial. I would say pay some actor, not actor, but I would prefer to have real people that actually is tasting your products. I would prefer all sort of color because you're going to be selling to American, and there's going to be a lot of people from different skin color going to be drinking your products. So if you get a Caucasian person, an Asian person, a Vietnamese person, and a other color, you're going to get a lot more trust, Copywritings, I would say also selling them on the emotion right here. That would be more helpful. This one is good. I like this one. Support the Vietnamese community. Most people, they don't really care. It's just Vietnamese people supporting each other. So I would say create something that people can vibe with. I would say instead of supporting the Vietnamese community, most people, they want, let's say if you are sell to a white person, a lot of them just want to support their own people, color. But if you were to maybe do something big, let's say support a healthier environment by drinking coffee that are good for the environment, from the manufacturing to the end product, I think that is something that you can get people to be on board with that mission more, I would say more user-generated content. Okay, more people, better. And the last part is your reviews. You have some bad reviews on here. Not too bad, but kind of bad. So what I would recommend you is to ask your friend and family, go into the list of reviews, and vote for reviews that are 5-star. Because Amazon algorithm, they're going to push. I'm going to vote for you anyway because I want to support you. Vote this so that as Amazon ranking their reviews, they're going to be ranking reviews with higher helpful vote, because they want to keep the most relevant vote in front of the customer on the first time, So make sure you have your friend and family go all in and vote for your products so that your reviews, because this is going to be the first impression. So you want to make sure that the first impression has to be filled with all the 5-star reviews, okay? I already vote for you. It may take some time. Ask your friend and family vote for you as well. And that's going to help you push your positive review up and improve the first impression with customer who are going to be visiting your listing, okay? Well, that should be it. And if you have any question, just comment down and then I'll be glad to help. And I'm really happy to see Vietnamese culture through the coffee beans in front of other people from different country and skin color. Okay, keep it up. Good job, man. You got this. But peace for now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that analysis, and if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. And if you need help with auditing your store to see what are you doing right, what are you doing wrong, so that you can prevent yourself from losing more money on marketing, to losing more time instead of focusing on the wrong things, and you end up losing more money, losing more time that you could have spent for your family. And also overall is that I want you to be successful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what I can help you so that I could give you the right direction so that I can help you build your next $1 million brand.